Hi, welcome back. So I told you last week that we would have a new daily project. It's here. You want to see it? I don't know if I'm ready to show you. No, it's not behind me. That's my work truck. Yeah, so it's right there. I'm just kidding. Ta-da! This is it in all of its glory. This is a 2010 Volkswagen Jetta Wolfsburg Edition 2.0 turbo 6-speed manual transmission. It is a fairly clean car. It's dirty, but it's clean. Couple of dents and dings, minor, that like there's one right here. Yeah, there's a little ding. I mean, it's parking lot stuff, but it's also 14 years old. So it's got 154,000 miles on it. And it's got a little boost gauge right there. And this I believe is aftermarket. It looks factory, but I mean it's not factory because there is your GPS antenna right there. So that saves me a whole world of trouble there. You know, 3 pedals. 1, 2, 3. 6-speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then push down reverse. So yeah, what we do have some bad with this car, and I'm gonna show you. The first one's not so bad. If you take a look right here, there's water on the floor, and if you look right there, there's a water line. Front seat and back seat. So sorry, the sun's kind of at a bad angle. You see the water line. It had a pond in it. I was going to turn it into a koi pond, but the guy that I got it from vacuumed it out for me. So it's only on the driver's side, and that is due to the sunroof drains. They're clogged up, leaking, so we're going to fix that. We're going to see if there's any trim. You could see the water stains from that. But other than that, it's clean. I mean, the passenger seat is clean. The carpet's fairly clean. It's going to get replaced anyway because it's been underwater, and we got this little tear in the seat right here. Other than that, it's not that bad. Rain guards, you know. But now we're getting to the ugly. The hood strut works. The ugly. The timing chain broke. Get replaced. So we're gonna have some bent valves, so that means I'm gonna have to remove the cylinder head and inspect the carnage. High pressure fuel pump. So somebody's already started looking at this, the guy I bought it from, but it has this APR intake, which is a nice chunk of change. It has a downpipe. It cat delete. It's been tuned. We're gonna see if it has the KO4 turbo upgrade while we're in there taking the head off, and we may do some other goodies as well. It does have APR exhaust tips. I don't know if it's maybe an axle back system, but I know APR doesn't list a catback for this car, which it has a test pipe, no cap. So there's that. It needs a little bit of love, but we'll get there. I'm very happy with the purchase. I could actually do two things with this car: daily drive the wheels off of it, or take the engine and transmission for the Corrado. It's an idea, but more than likely I'm going to daily drive the piss out of this thing. So I just wanted to let you all know, show you what it was, and we'll be back in a couple days. When I pull the cylinder head, you guys will be along for the ride with that. We'll inspect the carnage and we'll see where we go, because there may be some upgrades coming along with the rebuild of the valve train. So we'll see. And it does definitely need a bath for sure. So, but I have to pull the carpet out. I found replacements, pull the carpet out, fix the sunroof drains, and then I'll wash it. It just makes most sense, so I don't have another pond inside the car. But I have the windows down to air it out right now. They do work, except that one. That one doesn't work. So we'll figure that out. So yeah, tag is not mine. It was on there when I bought it, and I left it on here for the complex for no tow. Yeah. So we shall see you soon.